I spent over 65 hours testing Brevo, MailerLite, and these 7 other email marketing tools. So in this Brevo versus MailerLite comparison, I'll break down their key features like the landing page builder, email marketing automation, customer support, and their pricing plans. I'll also score both platforms out of 5 and give you my personal recommendations. So by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which email marketing provider is the best for you. Ease of use. Both platforms are easy to use, but MailerLite is even simpler and more modern. Brevo is fast and easy to navigate with a clean layout and helpful dashboard tips. The campaign creation process is smooth, but the landing page builder can feel clunky and slow. MailerLite's platform is super easy to use. The layout makes sense, the interface is clean, and whether you're new or experienced, you'll feel comfortable right away. They give you a simple 3-step checklist to get started, and there's a help button you can click on from almost anywhere. Both platforms offer drag and drop editors, but MailerLite is smoother and more user-friendly. Brevo's editor is easy to use and runs smoothly, but it's missing some blocks like survey and countdown timers. MailerLite's editor is one of the best I've tested. The designs look clean, it's easy to make changes, and you can save content blocks to use again later. You can also set up colors and styles that apply to all your emails, saving you time. This is where the platform differ a lot. Brevo provides 48 email templates that work well on all devices, and their design looks professional and appealing. You can upload your own HTML templates and save colors, fonts, and logos in a brand library for consistent branding. Plus, you can save content blocks like footers to reuse across different emails, which saves time. MailerLite has over 100 modern-looking email templates. I like them more than Brevo's, but here's the catch. They're only available on paid plans. Most email services don't do this. If you're using a free plan, you'll have to start from scratch and build your own emails yourself. Brevo's landing page editor provides an okay selection of 16 simple templates. However, you'll only start having access to use one landing page from the standard plan onwards, which is a real negative. The landing page feels clunky and disconnected from their much smoother email editor. The forms are surprisingly advanced though. You can let subscribers choose which list they want to join and even ask multiple choice questions. However, there are no form templates and you can't A/B test forms. MailerLite really stands out here. You can host your landing pages through MailerLite or on your own website. You can even create an entire website with their website builder here. Very few email marketing companies offer this feature. The design process works exactly like creating emails, so it feels natural and easy. The form builder is just as good with different types of forms like pop-ups and embedded forms. The template looks professional and you can customize them easily. And the best part is you can A/B test your forms to see which one works better. MailerLite wins ease of use with a more modern interface, smoother editor, and better landing page and form tools. While Brevo is easy to use, MailerLite's setup, editor, and website builder makes it the best choice for most users. Features. Both platforms handle segmentation well, but with different billing models. Brevo lets you create filters that work as segments based on contact information and behavior like email opens and clicks. You can also set up automation workflows to create new mailing lists based on demographics, behavior, and lead scores. The key advantage is unlimited contact storage. You only pay for emails sent, not contacts stored. MailerLite makes importing straightforward with CSV files or direct imports from other platforms. Unlike many competitors, subscribers can be on multiple lists without counting against your limit, which is really nice. You can assign tags automatically through forms and workflows. There's also a special section to find and remove inactive contacts, making list cleanup simple. Brevo shines with automations. Their automation editor lets you set up smart triggered campaigns based on contact data, email engagement, web behavior, and e-commerce activity. They also have lead scoring and the ability to test workflows before launching them, which is much more advanced than you'd expect from a platform at this low price point. MailerLite offers 15 automation templates and a visual workflow editor to help you set up automated campaigns easily. You can create workflows based on form completion, being added to groups, or clicking links. You can even A/B test different subject lines within your automated sequences. However, it's missing advanced features like lead scoring and website tracking. MailerLite connects with key platforms like WordPress, WooCommerce, and Shopify, plus Zapier for hundreds of extra tools. The Stripe connection is handy for payments as well. Brevo also connects with WordPress, WooCommerce, Shopify, and Zapier, the same tools as MailerLite, but Brevo does have more native and overall number of integrations in comparison. MailerLite mainly focuses on email marketing and website building, but Brevo, on the other hand, really stands out from competitors. Unlike most email platforms that only focus on email, Brevo handles email, SMS, WhatsApp, push notifications, and live chat all in one place. This makes it perfect for businesses that want to reach customers across multiple channels without juggling different platforms. This is where MailerLite clearly wins. Brevo doesn't offer built-in tools for selling digital products or creating paid newsletters. You'll need to rely on third-party integrations for e-commerce functionality. They do have some basic e-commerce features for online stores, but it's not their main focus. MailerLite lets you sell digital products straight from their platform. Their built-in connections with Stripe and 0% fee is a great option to start selling your digital downloads without paying for another subscription service. They also let you create a paid newsletter, which not many other competitors offer, and is another great way to make money. Both platforms have good deliverability rates. MailerLite has a 92.7% score, which is up there with the very best, and Brevo's deliverability rate is 74.7%, which is lower than MailerLite and not amongst the industry leaders. Most of your emails will still reach inboxes, but it's not as strong as some competitors. Brevo provides most of the reports you'll need, including click maps, location tracking, and Google Analytics integration. You can also access conversion data if you've connected an e-commerce platform. However, custom reports aren't available, and if you're on the starter plan or lower, your access to data is quite limited. MailerLite's reports are more basic. If you need advanced features like custom reports and heat maps, you may be disappointed. However, you can connect Google Analytics and see location-based information, which helps fill some gaps. Brevo wins features with better automation, reporting, multi-channel marketing, and unlimited contact storage. While MailerLite has slightly better deliverability and monetization options, Brevo's advanced automation reporting, multi-channel capabilities, and better billing make it the better choice here. Customer support. Both platforms offer limited migration support. Brevo doesn't offer hands-on migration support, but they provide built-in tools for importing contacts from platforms like MailChimp and ActiveCampaign, which is helpful and doesn't require expensive plans. MailerLite doesn't offer hands-on migration support either, positioning itself as a self-serve platform. However, they do also provide a MailChimp importing tool like Brevo. Both platforms have good reviews here. Brevo has a solid 4.3 rating with almost 7,000 reviews, which is really good. The main complaints are about strict account usage and sometimes slow support. If they detect any suspicious activity, they may freeze your account. Now, MailerLite has a solid 4.4 rating with over 3,000 reviews, which is really good as well. Their main complaint is the strict account usage, same sort of deal. They'll freeze accounts if they detect suspicious activity. However, if you have legitimate products and aren't doing anything questionable, I think you should be fine with both of these platforms. Brevo provides a universal help button that gives you access to their knowledge base or lets you leave a message for support. There's also the Brevo Academy for beginners. Phone support is available to professional and enterprise users Monday through Friday, but they no longer have live chat support on any plans. MailerLite's free plan includes 24/7 email support for the first 14 days. After that, you'll need to upgrade for continued support. The growing business plan includes 24/7 email support, while the advanced plan adds 24/7 live chat. Both email and live chat support are fast and friendly, often with the same agents responding to your requests. Customer support is a tie, with both platforms offering good resources and responsive help. Brevo has a slight edge with phone support for higher plans, while MailerLite offers live chat, which Brevo doesn't. Pricing. Brevo really shines with a unique pricing model. Instead of charging based on the number of contacts like most competitors, Brevo charges based on how many emails you send. The free plans gives you 300 emails per day, which adds up to 9,000 per month, with unlimited contact storage. And the starter plan begins at $9 per month for 5,000 emails with unlimited contacts, and the standard plan costs $18 per month. MailerLite offers free forever plan for up to 500 subscribers with 12,000 emails per month, which is much more generous than many competitors. The growing business plan starts at just $39 per month for 5,000 subscribers, and the advanced plan only jumps to $50 per month. Both include unlimited emails and landing pages, plus access to over 100 modern-looking templates. Pricing is a tie. Both platforms use different models that work better for different businesses. For a business with 5,000 contacts sending 10,000 emails per month, you'll pay $18 with Brevo versus $39 with MailerLite. Brevo's model is perfect for big lists and low-frequency senders, but if you send at least one email per week, then MailerLite is the better option. I also have a special discount to save you money on both these tools, so check out the link in the description below. Overall, it's just about a tie. This is one of the toughest comparisons because both platforms excel in different areas and score very high marks overall. So I would recommend MailerLite for most small businesses and creators who want great deliverability, easy setup, and built-in monetization. Brevo is perfect for businesses with big lists, multi-channel needs, or those who want to pay only for emails sent. So now that you're ready to get started with Brevo or MailerLite, I recommend watching this full Brevo tutorial or MailerLite tutorial next to get started.